Hi there. In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through the vFairs virtual job fair platform and share with you all that's possible with this solution. The goal of the virtual job fair is to enable universities to connect students and alumni with employers and have them interact in real time. Your virtual job fair will help top organizations from around the world connect with top talent at your university, enabling quick and easy hiring. vFairs offers the perfect virtual job fair platform to help you hit your goals. So, let's dive into the platform now. First off, let's talk about where your virtual event will take place. Where will people learn about your event? We help you create a beautiful, fully customizable event landing page with your own unique event URL. This is where you'll drive all the traffic and collect registrations for the event. You can set up custom registration forms where students can identify the roles they're interested in and even upload a resume or share their LinkedIn profiles before the event. If you want to import a list of students or alumni to the event, we can easily upload your existing database or integrate with popular applicant tracking systems such as Bamery. Once students start signing up, you can set up an automated confirmation email with the registrant's login information and an option to add the event to their calendar. Then, you could send an ad hoc email the day before the event to remind them that it's coming up or add any tips or guidelines that they should follow on the day of the event. Now, let's go through what candidates and employers can expect on the live day. First off, there are lots of ways to access the event. Not only can a candidate sign in through the web browser, through their desktop or mobile device, we also offer a mobile app that allows attendees to join in on the go. Likewise, you can establish various sign-in options, such as single sign-on or two-factor authentication, depending on the level of security and ease of use you'd like to incorporate. When candidates log in, they will be taken to the virtual lobby. You have the option to create fully custom exterior lobbies, which look like the outside of any university building, and interior lobbies, which act as the virtual hub of the event. Our virtual venues can be 2D or 3D and are all designed to offer an easy-to-navigate experience that makes you feel like you're actually at a physical campus. As soon as your attendee walks into the lobby, you can have an option to show them a welcome video. This is where your representative can guide attendees on how to navigate the platform and what to expect. From the virtual lobby, candidates have a few virtual spaces they can enter into. Let's start with the virtual exhibit hall, where a lot of the magic of a virtual job fair happens. Virtual exhibit halls are where employers can set up virtual booths and interact with attending students and alumni. This environment acts as the bridge between employers looking to hire and candidates looking for jobs. Candidates can click into a virtual exhibit booth and explore the content an employer has published within their stand. They can review and apply to job postings, follow links to an employer's career site, review documents about a company's culture and employer brand, and interact with booth representatives. Each booth will have a dedicated chat room where any visitor can ask questions or introduce themselves to learn more about a job or company. Likewise, the booth features a modified Q&A where candidates can submit questions and reps can choose which questions they post answers to. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, candidates can request to book meetings with booth reps where they can meet through audio or video chat within the platform and ask questions in a one-on-one format. Participating employers also have lots of opportunities to find and connect with the candidates they think would suit a particular role. Our profile search function allows employers to filter users by whatever criteria is laid out in the registration form. During registration, if candidates are asked to identify positions or departments that they're interested in, then an employer can, for example, search for a sales position and view profiles that match that description precisely. They can then cut through the clutter and start one-on-one chats with the candidates they'd like or request to book a meeting with. Next, employers can post job openings and descriptions in a job board. Students and alumni can search for jobs based on industry, job type, or company name and submit their resumes. Let's move on to our top chat features. As we've already mentioned, this is where a lot of networking takes place between candidates and employers. Users can participate in group chats, such as the booth chat we mentioned before, or a general event chat, one-on-one chats, and even create ad hoc chat rooms related to specific topics or themes. Within the text-based chat, users can start threads or reply to certain messages. They can see who's available, away, or busy, and set their own status accordingly. Both candidates and employers can make private notes so they can quickly review later whether they're interested in following up after the event. And exhibit booth reps can even see which users have already been contacted by them or someone else from their booth. Audio and video calls can also be hosted and are a great way for candidates to connect, host interviews on the spot, or even just learn more about career opportunities through informational meetings. Okay, now let's move on to another important space in your virtual job fair, the virtual auditorium. This is where all of your live and on-demand webinar sessions will be housed. Of course, this is an excellent place for you to host interactive informational sessions, career development courses, or even group interviews through breakout rooms. The best part, you can integrate with whichever webcasting platform you're most comfortable with. So if you like using Zoom already, we can host embedded Zoom sessions. If you're more inclined to publish a pre-recorded video from Vimeo, we can make that happen too. The choice is yours. With every webinar, you can also integrate interactive features such as chat, Q&A and polls through Slido, and even translate or caption your presentations through a variety of interpretation apps that work with vFairs. Let's talk about some more fun aspects of your event. vFairs offers lots of gamification options to help your candidates stay engaged and to help lead them to important spaces within your event. Our virtual scavenger hunt lets you hide logos, icons, or images throughout the event that candidates can click on and collect. We also offer a leaderboard, which tallies up each user's points for taking specific actions, such as visiting an exhibit booth or watching a webinar. You can even assign leaderboard points for finding items in the scavenger hunt. Make it even more rewarding by offering prizes to those with the most points at the end of the event. This is a great way to get candidates to explore more opportunities and make the most of all the resources you and your participating employers are sharing throughout the event. You can even add in games like trivia or Kahoot and have candidates network by competing head-to-head. Now, I have one last space within the virtual venue to show you, our virtual help desk. The help desk can be accessed within the virtual lobby and is available for anyone who experiences technical difficulties or has any questions about the event. vFairs will provide 24/7 live support on your event days so that technical questions are quickly addressed and users get the most out of the event. You can also share event schedules, links to your own contacts, or whatever else you think might be helpful for users as they explore the event. On top of the virtual environment, we offer a few additional features that really make your experience with vFairs unique and valuable. Firstly, our reporting features are bar none the best out there. Not only can you track the number of registrations and logins, but also in-depth metrics such as booth visits, webinar views, jobs applied to, document downloads, and the number of chats that took place. You can even view any specific user's journey throughout the event and export chat logs for review after the event is over. Plus, our customer service is truly unbeatable. In fact, our customer service is what's helped us maintain a 4.7 over 5-star rating on G2, making us a leader in the industry. You won't find a virtual or hybrid event platform that offers better. We assign a dedicated project manager to help you every step of the way with your event. Each project manager comes equipped with lots of experience planning virtual events and can help provide you ideas and suggestions for how to make your event even more successful. This means that not only will they help you set up your event as you've imagined it, they can help you make it the absolute best that it can be. So, There you have it. Not only does vFairs offer you all the ingredients you need to host the best, most effective university job fair, but also for your exhibiting employers and your attending students and alumni, we're also truly there every step of the way. I hope this demo was useful and it gave you an idea of what vFairs can do for you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us at sales@vfairs.com. Thank you.